Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So, today we are back with our new editorial from HackerRank. The name of this problem is lowest common ancestor, or what we can say is lowest common ancestor LCA. So, in this problem, what we are given is we are given two integers. Uh, we are given a tree, binary search tree, and what we need to find, and we are given two values, v1 and v2, and what we need to find is the LCA, lowest common ancestor of v1 v2 in the binary search tree. Okay, so let me tell you what is LCA, or lowest common ancestor, of course, from in the binary search tree. So LCA is, let me tell you in simple way. LCA is, suppose we are given v1 as 4 and v2 as 6. Okay, so the LCA is where these both nodes link is at the same position or the same node. So this 6 link is to 4, 6 is linked to 4. Okay, but 4 is not linked to 5. Okay, so 5 is linked to 3, but 4 is not linked to 3. But 4 is linked to 3. Okay, so the lowest common ancestor will be 3. Why? Because 6 is linking to 3 and 4 is also linking to 3. But you will tell 2 is also linking to 3, linking to 4 and 6. Yeah, 2 is linking to 4 and 6, but we need to find the lowest common ancestor. So lowest is the fastest, means fastest in the sense soon which link will come. So the first link will come is 3. So 3 is the LCA of this LCA of 4 and 6. So let's move on to the logic only. So the logic is straightforward. We are given v1 and v2 here. So rather than calling v1 and v2, let's call a and b. Okay, this will be easy to understand. Okay, so we will write our code here. What is our logic is? Our logic is that we will make a as smaller value, because we are given a search tree, binary search tree, so it will be easier for us to find. So hope you all know what is a binary search tree. If you don't know, please search it on Google or watch the videos on YouTube. There is a lot of videos on binary search tree on YouTube. Okay, so in binary search tree, what is the condition is the smaller number will be at the left of the root node, and the larger number will be at the right of the root node. Okay, so with this logic only we will solve this problem. So the logic will be, in A we will store the smaller number, and in B we will store the larger number. It is not given in the problem that A is smaller and B is bigger, but we will if A will be greater, we will swap A and B, because suppose if we put swap A and B means if we put 6 here and 4 here, 4 at the place of 6 and 6 at the place of 4, there will be nothing change. Both will link at the 3 only, so nothing in the change if we swap A and B. Okay, so A will be the smaller one and B will be the larger one. Okay, so here we will check it from the right node. If A is smaller than the root than the node at which we are current, and B is greater, then we will print that node because it will be the parent node. And if it is not, in this case, which is not, because 2 is greater than both 4 and 6, sorry, 2 is lesser than both 4 and 6, so we will move to this one, 3. If 3 is A is less than suppose take a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 6. Okay, a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 6. Okay, so suppose a is here, so we will make a condition that if a is smaller than the node data and b is greater than the node data, then we will return that node. Okay, so in first case it was not, because a is not smaller than the root data, but b was, but we have to satisfy both the conditions. Okay, so we have gone to 3 now because both were greater. Okay, so both were greater, so we have gone to 3 now, and what 3 says is a is smaller than 3, no, and 6 is smaller than greater than 3, yes, 6 is greater. So where they both are linking at each other, they are linking at, so here the link should be 3. But what I have noticed is that this is not a binary search tree, as they have told here, but this is not a binary search tree. Why? Because if you see, 1 is lesser than 2 and 3 is greater than 2, yes, but 4 is greater than 5 and 3, and they have put it in the left node. So this is not a binary search tree, so we will move to this one. Okay, this is a binary search tree, perfect, and we will apply the same logic in both of the cases. So what will be our code will be like this. I will code in C++, and but the logic for all the codes will be all the languages will be the same. Okay, so as I have told, if a is suppose in this case the a is equals to 7 and b is equals to a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 7. Okay, so suppose in any case the a will be greater than b, so what we will do is we will swap a and b. A is greater than b, then we should swap a and b. Okay, let me put a tab here. Okay, so now what we will do is we will run a while loop, unless we will get a break statement here. Okay, we will run a while loop, and what we will pass in that while loop will be if a is smaller than the root node data, root/data, okay, and a is greater than b is greater than root/data. Okay, this will be one condition. Or there will be another case like we are given only 4 and 2 in the binary search tree, and a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 2, so here the root will be only 2. So for that case also we will give a while loop if condition that, or if a is equals to root/data, then also we will print it, or b is equals to root/data. Let me increase the breadth of this. Hope you understand this. And b is also equals to, so b is equals to root/data. Okay, so what we will write here is, if they both then we need to return the root, because we don't need to return the number, we need to return the root address, so we will return the root. And else if means that means that we are not at the correct position. In this case it will run at once only, but suppose we are not at the correct position, then we will check it. If a is less than the data, if a is less than the data, if a is greater than data, sorry, I have written root slash data, and okay, and okay, then we need to return, we don't need to return anything, we need to take root is equals to root slash left, sorry, right, because a is greater, so we need to move right, because in right there is greater values and in left there is smaller values than the root. Okay, else the a is smaller, then we need to move to the left, sorry, because left is smaller. Here we can write let's complete this. Here we can write if condition also, but it will make the same, that a is less than root slash data. It will be the same. So let me write else only, because it will learn fastly than the if else condition. Okay, so it will return at any time. Let me, because there is no need of putting these brackets, and let me put a space so that you can. Okay, so this was the function that we need to build up, and yeah, this is still here only, don't confuse, I have increased the width. So let me submit this. Hopefully we will get a correct answer, and yeah, we got a correct answer, so nice. Nice that we got a correct answer. Okay, so this is the solution, or an editorial for lowest common ancestor from HackerRank. Lowest common ancestor in binary search tree. There will be other implementation if it will be a simple binary tree, or it will be a simple tree, but here we are given only binary search tree, and that's why we need to, this implementation was this much simple. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, like the video, and if you need any video on any topic, please write in comment that topic and that question link, or if you want any question. So please subscribe the channel for the latest videos, and I will be also posting the videos for the latest contests which are going on. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.